Hey everyone, just wanted to create a quick video introducing my website. The website domain is thepadroneteam.com. And if there's ever anything that you need to do in real estate, if you're looking for resources, information, valuations, you would like to set up a search, my site really does have it all. First of all, I'll start with my referral partners. If you go to this top link, you can search for attorneys, home inspectors, or lenders. These are trusted referral partners that I have vetted and I have used for many, many years. You're obviously open to use any type of lender or inspector or attorney that you would like to use. But again, if you don't have a resource, you can go right to this website and that will help you. Let's keep it going. If you would like to do just a simple search of what's been selling or what's coming on the market in your neighborhood, you can get your search started here. It's actually extremely easy. You just put in what area. You can draw on the map. So you got a draw tool here. You can just put in whatever neighborhood, city, school district that you're looking for. So the search feature is very, very easy. You also have a tool to find out exactly what your home is worth. So this is an automated value. Obviously, if you would like a more detailed value, I am happy to provide that to you. Just send me an email or a quick text message and I'll get that information to you very quickly. If you would like to get instant listing alerts in the neighborhood that you're looking to purchase, you can set that up right here. You're of course able to get pre-approved. It will give you a link to a lender that can get you pre-approved if that's something that you're looking for. And I obviously have some featured areas that I do a lot of work in. And then I wanted to draw your attention to this. Stay on top of your local real estate market. Many of you are subscribed for the free market reports. If you're not, here is the link that you want to go to get this market report. And it is a fantastic tool that will give you all of the properties that have been recently listed in your neighborhood, what has sold. It gives you an average sales price, how long houses are sitting on the market, how quickly they're selling for. It's got very, very good statistics. And again, super user-friendly. If you are on the site, you ever get stuck or you've got a question or you want to reach out to me, obviously you can use the chat with me link at the bottom left. You can, there is a section here where you can also just send me a question here as well. If you're looking for just luxury listings, you can look at them here. Rentals, we pretty much have it all covered. And even if you're an investor looking for investment properties, you can search by distressed properties, fixer-uppers. So there's really good search features that are built into the website. Again, the domain is thepadroneteam.com. If you ever need any help buying or selling, or if you know somebody that's looking to buy or sell, please feel free to reach out to me through email, text message. You can call me on my cell, 847-774-1866, and I would love to help. See you guys.